Replacing your Toyota Sienta, Voxy, Esquire, or Noah key fob battery is straightforward. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the fob case at the seam, usually indicated by a small indentation. Remove the old battery, noting the correct orientation with positive side up. Clean any corrosion with a dry cloth or alcohol swab. Insert the new battery with the positive side up and snap the case back together. Test the remote by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, reprogramming might be needed. Try inserting the key into the driver's door lock and turning it to the lock position multiple times to sync it. Alternatively, insert the key into the ignition, turn to the on position without starting, and press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob. Keep in mind that Toyota's security systems have been updated and recommend against over-the-counter reprogrammers. Looking ahead, Toyota is moving towards batteryless or rechargeable systems, with some models featuring inductive charging pads and potential app-based remotes via smartphones, reducing reliance on disposable batteries. Stay updated on recalls and explore DIY resources for troubleshooting.